All I will say is that if he gets the ticket, then everybody in Amethi is going to make sure that they ensure that their lands are not stolen. Mr. Rahul Gandhi would not find time for his own district. How can you then take support of the political leadership of PFI? And the India lands will suddenly start hugging in Delhi, but when it comes to Wayanad, they are suddenly begging each other not to fight. Doesn't make sense. You can't be Modi, can't beat Modi, so copy Modi. You can reach the doorstep of God only when God allows it.
The SDPI experiment in Kerala.
I have no shame in taking the Bhagwa flag. I have no shame in saying Jai Shri Ram. Why are they shameful? They're taking the support of the PFI political leadership. They should not be ashamed of it. If they are taking support of the Muslim League, why are they hiding the flag? Country knows Modi is coming back to serve as Prime Minister. Why waste your vote on the Congress Party?
ദി ബിഗ് ഇന്റർവ്യൂ വിത്ത് സ്മൃതി ഇറാനി നാളെ രാവിലെ 9 ഉച്ചയ്ക്ക് 2 മണിക്കും
എല്ലാവരും ജനം TV കാണുക.